the palm leaves are just completely gone, so hopefully they'll survive. Other than that, the palm trees did a really good job. Or not falling.
Yeah.
So it's living straight. Oh, we feel better.
So
These are the
I think these are the new 50 amp breakers
Yeah.
that they're putting in for each unit.
Yeah, wow.
So then these are going to go.
Run through their each unit.
Yeah.
Eventually.
And so this is how we'll get the temporary power
Yeah.
for the AC. And Hi. Good.
Ooh. Let's take a picture of this. You can walk through it if you.
Wow, I just walked into the elevator lobby.
One. Yeah, here's the laundry is over there.
Yeah, laundry's over there. Wow. Look at this.
What?
Just all
Yeah,
of it.
it's all gone.
It's just clear.
It's gone. Yeah. View. It'll be interesting to see the view from up there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's find
This is going to take a long time.
Let's do it.
Okay. You want? I'm going to do one more picture.
We can do all this later. I'm running video right now.
Oh,
So,
okay.
so
All right.
we can look around at some point.
Take this
But there's no point in